How do I build a loyal fan base for a pop-up drink stand? You build loyalty by showing up consistently at the same spots, remembering regular customers by name or order, and giving people a reason to talk about you beyond just the drink itself. Think of your pop-up stand like a traveling friendship instead of just a business. When people know exactly where to find you every Saturday morning or every Friday night, their brain starts treating your stand like a little tradition, and traditions are what keep people coming back again and again. One trick most vendors never think about is starting a simple punch card or a secret menu item that only regulars know about, because humans love feeling like insiders who are part of something special. Another thing barely anyone talks about is collecting phone numbers or social media handles right at the counter and sending out a quick heads-up text before you show up somewhere new, since most people forget about pop-ups the moment they walk away. You also want to greet returning customers with something personal, like remembering their usual order, because feeling remembered creates emotional loyalty way faster than any discount ever could. Small human touches like this build word of mouth, and word of mouth is what turns a pop-up stand into a local legend. One common mistake is treating every customer the same instead of rewarding your regulars, so make sure your most loyal fans always feel like they are getting something extra, even if it is just a free topping. Another mistake is being inconsistent with your schedule, which confuses people and breaks the habit you are trying to build, so pick a rhythm and stick to it like clockwork. A lot of vendors also forget to ask for feedback, and a quick friendly question like asking what flavor someone wants next can make customers feel like they are helping shape your brand, which keeps them emotionally invested. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.